add and use Bitwarden extension in Chrome. So first things first, head over to bitwarden.com, and from here you're going to move on to the download panel. And from the download panel, you're going to scroll all the way down to browser extension, and you're going to click on Google Chrome. And from there, you're just simply going to add your extension to Chrome, and then you'll have to just simply confirm the installation by clicking the add extension in the pop-up window right here. So as you can see, the extension is being downloaded and it is going to be added in a minute. So here the extension has been added right here. And then I pinned the extension right here. What I will need to do is then log into my Bitwarden account and log in, enter in my details. And then once accessed, I can just simply go into the Bitwarden icon in the toolbar to access all of these extension options. And then let me just quickly enter in my password. Now, once you enter in your password, you can access all of the vaults, and you can use Bitwarden's features. It really offers you a lot of features, including password generation, secure password storage, and autofilling capabilities. Now, to generate a specific password, you can go onto the generator and you can generate this specific password or paraphrase a password, go into your vault and save in a lot of website passwords to keep it safe. As of now, there are no logins available to autofill for the current browser tab, but you can head over to facebook.com and or any of the other places for you to autofill these login credentials. So anytime you're visiting any of the website with saved login information, Bitwarden will automatically fill in the username and password fields for you. You'll just need to click on the Bitwarden icon over here for it to be started. So you can also go into the settings and customize the Bitwarden settings to your preferences, such as autofill options, security options into the folders. You can sync it up on time, and vault timeout settings, you can do that immediately or on browser restart. And if you want to lock in the timeout action, and so on and so forth. So if you need to log out of your Bitwarden account, you'll simply click on the Bitwarden icon once again and click onto the logout option. So by following all these steps, you can easily add and use Bitwarden extension in Chrome to enhance your password management and online security.